Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I am going to do a how to build on how to do the Iron Patriot from the Marvel Comics Dark Avengers. And this build is a relatively easy one because I did it on this website called Mecha Bricks. You can go check it out. BC Bricks uses it as well. He introduced it to me, and you should just go on, check it out, and think what you do. And you can do different themes and stuff. But today I'm not really going to get into that part. What I'm going to do is a tutorial on how to build the Iron Patriot from the comics, who is Norman Osborn. And this build is different pieces. Here in the corner it says 10 pieces, but that's because it includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It includes all the pieces. And so yeah, we're gonna just jump into that. So here is a new tab I just opened up so you guys can look at it. So here, if you just click here, you can go down to lower parts. So sorry if that covered up me up here. I'm just gonna move myself over here into this spot so then you can see me better. So if you go down here to superheroes, click on Marvel, scroll down over here, click Silver Centurion or Centuron. I don't really know how to pronounce it. When you actually go down to this page, you have to click a bunch of pluses because it has to open up everything. So to get there, you have to click these arrows. So you just want to pick this one, the Silver Centurion, which is down at the bottom, and then if you look over here, you have the search bar, and look, if you put in Iron Patriot, you don't get anything. So that's the thing. When you do that, you can't just click it and it happens. It doesn't happen all the time for me. I did it with Aquaman. Tried to do an Aquaman version, and he never showed up. Yeah. So you click this, and then you want to get your Iron Patriot ready. So you can kind of move up here, pull this out, because we haven't gotten to it. And you just click on them, and then you can hit the backspace button, like that. And you go up to minifigures, because this has a lot of things that they don't have. And here you can kind of see the boxing glove man. So if you click that, you get this, and then first you can get rid of the body. The hands, you want to turn those into a dark blue, because we're basing this on the comic version. And then you just click that here on this side, and then you get that dark blue on the bottom. And you click this, move this back into position, and then there you have the torso and legs. So if you just click that, you can get a better view. Click center, pull it out a bit. I'm working on a touchscreen, touchscreen computer, so a lot of this stuff is easy for me, but not as easy if you're kind of doing regular computer, because it's really hard for me, because it's hard for dragging all this stuff all over the place. So for the head of Norman Osborn, you can just go to the Lego Batman movie, and then you just click this head over here, the first one on the second row. Click that, move up to hairs, click the arrow once again, scroll down to here until you have the Han Solo hairpiece. And then you just click this one right next to the orange, the bright orange. And then here you go. You have your Norman Osborn, Iron Patriot. And yes, you can turn the head around if you'd like to. And the helmet is easy. You just you just scroll down under hairs into head clothing. Click the plus. Ooh, that's not good. And go down, click the plus again, go back down, past it, and click the button on top of the head, And you want to click this plus because it can give you the colored variations of some things, like the Ant-Man helmet. As you can see, it gives you the gray and the black one, and then the Nova headpiece, you get the yellow and red, and it's only for certain pieces. So we're going to click this Silver Centurion. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I don't really know how to pronounce it the way. And here you have a bunch of Iron Man helmets. So you just want to scroll down here until you get the actual Silver Centurion one. Ooh, I forgot you had to click that button. And you click this, and then here you go, you have your Iron Patriot based on the Norman Osborn comic version from Dark Avengers. And like I said, this video is really this build really easy. If Lego actually makes these arms, I don't remember. If you actually find these arms in real life, then and put it together exactly how I did it, that'd be amazing. And that'd be awesome, really awesome. So like I did here, you just click this, go to multiple, click this and this, and you can just shift these over. It's kind of easy. And there you have it. That's how you make Norman Osborn on Mecha Bricks from the Marvel Comics Dark Avengers. And I hope you all liked it. This video is really easy. And again, if you find the arms, please tell me. I really want to make this in real life. And I'll see you guys later. Actually, I won't see you guys later. Well, actually I will, but I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm actually doing more videos like this in the future, and another video coming your way is me doing Westview from WandaVision. I started working on that. I got the blaze plates, and I'm just right now prepping for it and getting ready. I'm also making some custom minifigs, but until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye.